I've talked about this before, that there's many different flavors, so to speak, of the infinite. And nature definitely imparts one flavor of that, which is a certain peace and tranquility. And one flavor of that peace and tranquility, which is very deep, very pleasant. And this is also the teaching and the recommendation, this return to nature, of the Daoists. You could also say even the Christians as well, maybe the Buddhists. Certainly alongside the Daoists, also the Greek philosophers. They equated this idea of nature, and this reality of nature, I suppose. They equated nature to reason and to virtue, actually.